Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to fix TikTok not letting you to make new account. First of all, check you have already registered with the same number or email. If this problem is not resolved, then check your email or phone number is valid or not. After that, if still you have facing the problem, then restart your app. If not resolved, then check your internet connection, your Wi-Fi or your mobile network data is working properly or not. If this problem is not resolved, then click on the TikTok, come to the profile, click on the three lines in the right top corner, setting and privacy. Now scroll this and click on free up space. Now clear on cache. Your cache will be cleared, and now start to change your account with your new email or phone number. That was all that how to fix TikTok not letting you to make new accounts. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.